Today, the South Goa Advocates Association organized this debate between all the candidates who are contesting the South Goa parliamentary election, so that the candidates know that they will be held accountable by the voter when they come asking for votes the next time. The people who attended the debate were very happy as they got to ask questions to the candidates. They got to know what is the vision that these candidates had for the voter, and they're looking forward now to the elections to be held on 23rd April 2019.
Corruption is something, if you ask me how I will do it, in a nutshell I can tell you, be transparent. Every decision of yours, let it be in public domain. And this has been amply demonstrated in the state of Delhi, where the Aam Aadmi Party government is real-time, day-to-day expenditure, progress of the works is available to you. The estimated time of completion is available to you. If there is a delay also, the reasons are cited. But almost all the projects under the Aam Aadmi Party government have been completed before time.
Please, open your eyes. These people have tried only on the assurances which they have not fulfilled. It is time for us to think and ponder, because this is a fight between Congress and BJP. There's no other party. Other parties are directly or indirectly helping BJP to come to power. So I appeal to all of you, think twice. Don't wait for people to request you to come out for voting.